Hello everyone, it's Maniac here, and we have another huge package from the cubicle. Let's open it up and see what's inside. Alright, so that was everything in the package, but what we're really here for is the GAN 356i carry. All of these other puzzles are mystery puzzles, which I'll be doing another unboxing on because this unboxing is mainly focusing on the GAN 356i carry. So this kind of looks like the iPhone of cubes. It comes in that sort of packaging. So let's just open it up. And I can't seem to open it because it's so smart. Alright, looks like we finally got it open. Okay. Just peel off all this plastic, move everything else off to the side. And here it is. The GAN 356i carry. Go ahead and take this out. Alright, so we have the actual cube here. Let's see, we don't have anything. Actually, we do have something in here. We have this card. I don't know what that is. Oh, it's just a WeChat and Instagram QR codes. And now we have the actual cube. And in this, we probably have a bunch of accessories. And then there's nothing in here. Let's see. Let's open this up. So we have a cube bag. We have a GAN pamphlet. We have some springs, some more springs. This a tension set and an empty bag. Okay. And then, yeah, so we have 2 springs, an empty bag, a pamphlet. So this is the main pamphlet, which all GAN cubes come with. We have a spring tensioning unit. Yeah, I haven't bought a new GAN puzzle in a while, so I'm used to the old unit on the GAN's X, which is this one right here, which is my main. I've never bought or felt the GAN 11M Pro or any of those newer cubes, but I did buy this one because I've never had a smart cube and it seemed really interesting. So I actually read that so the tensions or the spring set on this cube is already in here, so that's why it's empty. So that makes sense. And yeah, so those are just all the accessories. Let's move that all to the side for now, and let's open up the GAN I carry. This is a $37 or $36 smart cube. I think it's the cheapest on the market, and we cannot figure out how to open up this packaging. Maybe I'm just stupid. Just pull it. Oh, okay, that worked. Okay, so we have this box, we have plastic wrapping, and we're gonna have to figure out how to open this one up as well. Oh, we did it. That didn't take too much effort. Okay. And we can't get it out. We are having trouble with packaging today. Alright, so this is the cube itself. It's really soft. I've never felt a GAN cube like this before. It's a really soft puzzle. It's pretty tight too, but yeah, this cube is awfully tight. You can't do too much on this, but it is a smart cube, so I don't know what to expect. It is magnetic too, so I've never felt something like this before. So okay, let's get into the smart aspect of it now. I'll just do a solve real quick without the smart aspect of it, because it'll bother me if I don't, if I just leave it unsolved like that. Okay, so this is the cube. Let's see. Oh, okay, so it's connected now. Okay, this is great. This is great. Okay, so we can see that this is connected to our phone now. If we make a turn here, it'll do it on screen. That is really cool. Alright, we'll restart here. Okay. Alright, so we're gonna do timer. Let's skip the tutorial. Okay, so casually do a UU prime to start. Oh, so it's a scramble. So we're scrambling. Okay, scramble done. Start timing by turning any side or countdown is over. Oh, okay. I can't really see this cube very well because it's behind my tripod. Okay, that's pretty cool. That's pretty cool. So it shows me my time, and if I just do another UU prime, I can scramble again. So let's do another solve. Oh, did it wrong. Okay, I'm doing the wrong. Okay, so it doesn't detect, or it does detect when I do it wrong. Okay. I'm sorry, this app is really confusing. All right, 3, 2, 1, go. Messed up again. Alright, that's worse, but okay. So my first impression of this is pretty cool. I bet there's a few more features in here that I can look at later, and I'll look at that in my full review. But off the bat, the app is pretty difficult to navigate. The cube is okay. I mean, I shouldn't be expecting something really, really good for $37 because it is a budget smart cube. If there's anything like that, and we're scrambling again, so we're gonna close the app there. But yeah, depending on the price, it's a really good cube in my opinion. If you just want a smart cube because you think it's cool, that's why I bought it. I think you should get it, but just know that the app isn't great. This cube, it's okay. I mean, I think you might be able to loosen this a little bit, but I'm not sure if you can. I'm not sure you get the center caps off. I might have to go watch a tutorial on that or something, but yeah. I think it's a pretty good puzzle. I'll do a few more solves and have them for you guys right now, but other than that, I think it won't be good for practical use. You know, you can't practically solve on this cube. As you saw, I was getting pretty bad times. I usually average around 11, 12, 13 seconds. It really depends on the day, but I don't get many like 16s and 15s consistently, and this cube just isn't great, but it's really cool. And I think if you want it for the experience, you want to try it out, you get it, but for just regular practice, I don't think it's practical because, yeah, I say just get a normal stack man and a Rubik's cube and you'll be fine. So that's my unboxing for this GAN 356i. I carry. It's a budget, if there is such a thing, a budget smart cube. I'll do a few more solves right now, and hope you guys all enjoyed the video, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.